Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day and it's a brand new face. Ha! Who is this? I took my hair out last night with the help of the husband before I went to bed, and I got up this morning and babe and I team up and we got so much done in this house. I washed my hair. So you see I got that done. I cleaned my oven. I don't know if you guys power clean your oven when it tells you that it needs power clean. So it's a technique the oven have to clean where you have to turn it on and it goes for 3 hours running and cleans the inside. And then I wash all the things that's in there. I think that's done like monthly. So I did that this morning, and that take a lot to scour all those things in the oven. So I did that. Sorry, it's kind. She's unhappy about something. Today's weather is so good outside. It feels like spring. Or is it spring? I don't know what time it is. But the sun is out. It is hot. I felt like I wanted to pop out my barbecue until the point where Sarah was asking if we're going to do barbecue today. That's how hot it was. And still is. I'm sure the laundry that I put out, I did laundry also, is probably dry by now. The kids was outside playing. I'll insert a clip here so you guys can see that. A haircut. Let me show you him. He and his sister is in the room playing, so he's looking real cute. He's doing a little bit better than he was doing yesterday. So where is the boy with the new haircut? Why are you standing on your sister's bed? Oh. Say hello to Faves. Say hello to Faves.
Say hello to Faves. Hello.
Why you have a runny nose? Sarah, say hello to Faves. Get down. No standing on the bed. Sit. Okay. Sarah, what happened to your nose? Why were you crying?
I was playing my bubbles.
You're playing bubbles and what? Why you have your shoes on the bed? Where are these on the bed? Take them off of the bed. No shoes on the bed. And don't let me see you and your brother standing on the bed again, okay? And go and wipe your nose. You need a mush water to wipe your nose. Get down, let me wipe your nose.
Can we have a mush water, please? Can we have a bubble, please?
No, not now. Okay. What are you guys doing? Stand up, let me see your hair. So I give him a haircut this morning.
To read my nose.
Go get mush water and wipe your sister's nose. So that's him. And you know, once he get a haircut, Papa also get a haircut. You guys see them other things I did this morning? Papa get a haircut. Let's see if I can find him.
Your nose.
Hey, hello, handsome with the pretty haircut.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Summer hairstyle.
Summer hairstyle. What do you mean?
Yeah, this is summer.
But your hair cut like that all year round.
You mean my summer hairstyle?
You are too funny. So babe got his hair cut. Everybody showered. I clip all fingernails. And now he's here doing ironing.
What you meant to do in your life?
Huh?
What you meant to do in your life?
Cook and edit and do some code. So the days has been going good. Everything that I want to get done is getting done. Right? Alright. Continue iron. I'm going to try and figure out what for dinner. And I have prep to make too. So yeah. I still have a lot to do. Bye. What you doing, girl? Who is that? Peppa and George? Is Daddy Pig?
Yes, Papa and Daddy Pig.
Peppa and Daddy Pig. Okay. I have prep to make, dinner to make, and do some more editing and stuff. Anyway, you guys, enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of the vlog.
Amen. I've learned how to be obedient rather than being forced. In my youth, I used to fight. I used to fight against what God said. I had my own mind. I was intelligent. I knew things. I've been in this church since I was 8 years old. I've been in the Bible. Amen. By the time I was 18, I read it 3 or 4 times. Amen. And I knew the word. But I thought I knew the word in my power. And I had plans for my own life. But how many know when God got plans for you? He ain't gonna bother with you long. God don't bother with you long. Amen. He let you know that he can do it my way or you can go on and do it your way. Amen. But whatever way you do it. My daddy told me when I was praying about it, I said, Lord, I need direction. I can go here and I can be a very rich man. Living good, living Lord. I can go here and I can struggle and pray and believe God. I know I'm a little bit bad, but I know it, but it's still. I'm going to be blessed. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Amen. And I was praying, I said, Lord, I need the word. And my old daddy, he just graduated from high school. He wasn't highly educated. I was working on my 2nd degree when I was doing this. But he walked in and told me something that I say today, and it stuck with me. He said, I'm going to tell you, son, I know that you got these opportunities. I've been watching you and I've been your biggest friend. He said, but I want you not to make the mistake that I've seen so many make. He said, I believe that God has been calling you all your life. He said, but if you want to dance, you're going to have to pay the bill. That ain't structure, but that's wisdom. Of course, I made fun of him and walked away. And then the Lord began to talk. He said, let your words be yea and nay. If you're going to stand for me, stand for me. If you're not going about your business and do what you want to do. But I pray that he help me to understand that. Amen. And he said, thou shalt worship the Lord thy God, and only him shalt thou serve. And say, shut up. And the Bible says, while he sit there, meditate on the word that was down. Everybody say down in him. That's what he's talking about. You got to know who you are. You got to know whose you are. And you got to stand on that. Amen. I'm a soul winner. I know the reputation of their record.
Son job in the evenings once I'm cooking is to set the table, and it's the first I've ever seen him put the paper towels like that. You see, children live what they learned. Oh my god, this boy is the cutest. And he put the waters and good job, Ty.
And I even put a note for you and Papa.
You put a note for me and Papa?
Yes, on the seat.
Oh, alright, I'll read the note soon. Multitasking skills. So we have crepe. Yes, the fish is ready. Salmon is ready. We have salmon, not salmon. Tyler, sorry, make me come. Yes, salmon is ready. I have crepe going. I have creamy broccoli and cauliflower going for Tyler. And I have some without it because I want without. In here, I have salmon that just finished. And then in here, I have quinoa. And I also made some corn. So dinner is almost ready. Multitasking at its finest. What do you want? She's crying for crepe. You want crepe? And what did Mama say? What did Mama say? What did Mama tell you about the crepe? After dinner, right? Right? So why are you sad? You're still gonna get the crepe, but you have to eat first. Okay? Right. Put your face. Alright, beautiful dinner. There we go. Mel, Papa, Sarah, and Tyler. You are something else. Tyler is so funny. Tyler put hearts, cushions on the chair.
That's all, okay.
On me and Papa chair. And two regular cushion on his and his sister's chair.
The notes.
Tyler said he left Papa and I notes.
No.
I love you, Mama.
I love you.
I love you too, Tyler. Give me a kiss.
Mercy, please. Yeah, Mama.
Thank you. You want kiss too?
Yeah. On m'avait dit que je devais gagner des points, donc en faisant ça, je pensais que ça allait faire gagner des points.
And it's only right that I get to share this long day and
Long
end
week.
it with our favorite glass of wine. Don't tell them. Are we gonna eat cheesecake? Don't tell them. Anyway, you guys, you half of the head cut off.
Because you're short, I have to on your level.
We're coming on to end today's vlog. I had a long day, but productive day, so that's good. You're up my belly, so not in it more than fat. So, no matter with it. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoy the bits and pieces that we had to show you guys. I had 2 more things on my list that I wanted to get done today and I didn't get them done, but I can do so much and no more within a day. So I'll take what I get. I'm satisfied with that. How about you?
It's the same thing. I have a list. About 10 things to do. About 7 things remain to do. But it's not things that I have to do
About
today.
7 remain to do?
Yeah, like I wanted to do different CD, wash the car.
Hold on,
empty
that
the
was within your day today?
Not necessarily. It's
Oh, I
things
made
to
a
do.
day list. I didn't
Yeah,
make a
it's
things
things
to do list.
Wash the car, empty the fridge with other things, and organize my shoes there. So
No, that's not within your day at all.
but whenever
That's
I'm
one day at a time.
I just finished ironing. Nice time. It's after 9. It's time for me to relax. I don't want to do anything else. So I won't do anything else.
For me, I still have to finish the vlog for tomorrow. But for now, it's uploading so I can sit down and eat my cheesecake and enjoy my wine in the meantime. But we're just peacing out for now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed though. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the family. I'm Ketchup and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys
tomorrow.
Which one is mine? This?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb.